Open sky at the push of a button and intense driving experiences. The MINI Cooper Convertible combines open-air driving with the latest technology. Advanced assistance systems optimize comfort and safety. The MINI Experience modes create an individual atmosphere. The MINI Cooper Convertible is the perfect companion for open-air driving adventures. The fully electric roof, which opens in just 18 seconds, even at speeds of up to 30 km/h, enables a summery open-air feeling while driving. Innovative assistance systems provide additional safety. The Driving Assistant Plus package includes an additional steering and lane assistant to support the driver. The Professional Parking Assistant uses cameras and ultrasonic sensors to identify free parking spaces and can initiate parking maneuvers automatically. 7 MINI Experience modes allow for individual accents in the interior, while the Go-Kart mode, with a sporty dashboard look and special displays for driving dynamics, emphasizes MINI's racing DNA. The Green mode optimizes consumption and emissions without sacrificing typical driving fun. The Personal mode takes it even further. A personal photo brings a unique look to the digital cockpit. The lighting adapts accordingly. Following the relaunch of the MINI brand in 2001, the first MINI convertible was unveiled in 2004 and has remained an icon of the MINI family ever since. With 160,000 vehicles built at MINI Plant Oxford from 2004 to 2008, the first-generation MINI convertible was known for its retro styling and iconic chrome rollover arches behind the rear seats. The second generation, unveiled in 2009 with 165,000 built at MINI Plant Oxford until 2015, kept the iconic drop-down hinged boot but gained the evolved styling of the Cooper from that era. Production of the model was briefly moved to VDL Nedcar for the third generation, making room for the MINI Clubman at MINI Plant Oxford. Over 150,000 convertible models were produced at Nedcar until production stopped in 2023, before production returned to MINI Plant Oxford. MINI Plant Oxford celebrated its 110th anniversary in 2023, the same year it produced over 20% of all UK manufactured cars. As one of the oldest automotive plants in the world, MINI Plant Oxford has been in continuous production since 1913. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the JCW Adventures channel for the latest MINI news, advice and reviews.